Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, and if we're not careful, this could become another 2-minute tech tip. Delivering today's tech tip is Oracle ACE Director Kent Graziano. Kent is an independent consultant and an expert in data modeling, data warehousing, and data architecture. And his latest book is Better Data Modeling, Tips for Enhancing Your Use of Oracle SQL Developer Data Modeling. How are you, Kent?
Great, Bob. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. What are you going to talk about today? What's your tech tip?
I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to effectively color code your data model diagrams in SQL Developer Data Modeler.
If you are ready, your 2 minutes begins now.
Okay, so my favorite data modeling tool is, of course, SQL Developer Data Modeler, and it has this great feature called classification types in it that allows you to color code the entities and tables in your diagram. And I use it to differentiate between different types of tables in my diagrams, whether it's lookup tables, transaction tables, or more often when I'm doing data warehousing, I use it for different colors for my stage tables than my warehouse tables, different colors for facts and dimensions. So when you install SQL Developer Data Modeler, it comes already with classification types for facts and dimensions and temp tables. So you don't really need to do anything with that unless you don't like the colors and you want to change them. But I have a type of data modeling I do called Data Vault modeling, and it has 3 types of entities in it: hubs, links, and satellites. And I like to have those color-coded differently. So to do this, you go into Data Modeler, into the navigator on the left side. You're going to right mouse click and get the context menu on top of the design name itself. And this is a little different than it used to be. In 3.1, you could do this off of tools and preferences, but in the 4.0 version and above, you're going to go to the context menu on the design name itself. So you right mouse on the design name,
30 seconds.
Look for properties, click on properties, and then you're going to go in there and you're going to see an option for Data Modeler, and drill into that and you'll see classification types. And once you're in that window, you can create new classification types, you name them, and you pick the color you want those tables to be.
10 seconds.
Once you've saved that, you go back to your model, open up the properties on the table, and go down to the classification types on the left-hand side, and you can start changing the colors by adding in your classification types. And then you'll have a nice color-coded data model diagram to help you differentiate your types.
Went into overtime on that one.
Oh, man.
Think up another one and we'll do this again.
All right.